Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June 18th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. So one puzzle is left: the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 8746. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Yeah, 13. Okay. And the hard ones, as always, 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more, but I don't think it's a 4 stars puzzle. Maybe a 2 stars or 3 stars. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Our boxes, because the single box is always one. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we ever have dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here, I need more information, insufficient information right now. So do not know in which order, the 1 and 2. How about triple boxes? Next question, do we ever have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see here quadra box, there quadra box. Well, here, all the numbers, yeah, will be difficult. Cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. How about this one? Quadra box in an L shape. Well, this box can be a 4. We have a 4 here, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And when you see a quadra box, remember in the L shape. When you see a quadra box in L shape, remember that the inside box, this is this box, the inside box is always a 5. Okay, more quadra boxes? No. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. This case is a 1 or a 2 here. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the final shape, I believe, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Yeah. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area from the numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be 2, this box can be 4, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, come on, this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4, yeah, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. This box can be 1. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Wow. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then. Come on. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and 4, let me mark those. Is connected with that box, should be 2 and 4. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. I need 1 here. Well. Let me think. Come on. this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Here are 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. I think this box should be a 4 then, because it can be 1, we have a double 1 there, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, can be 3, supposed to be 4, can be 5, yes. Definitely a 4. I've marked this box with 2 and 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4, 1 box left in this area for number 1. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me think. This box can be 1, those 2 boxes can be 1, and these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be 2, but also this box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those. Well. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. Alright, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 2 there. So the only place left for 2 is supposed to be there. Is now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Alright. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. That means that this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3 and 4. We have a 3 and 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and 5, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And the final number in this area for number 1. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.